Hello, today we are going to be doodling some very cute balloons. So let's get straight into the drawing. I am using a permanent marker called Sharpie and I'm going to draw directly with it. You could always start with a pencil or any other waterproof pigment liner in case you want to paint like me with watercolors over this. Use a lot of random shapes to make your different balloons. I'm making ovals, circles, and I'm going to even experiment with making a heart-shaped one. You can go crazy and have squares, rectangles, triangles, or any other comical shape that you feel like. Once your basic shapes are done and you've added the string to your balloons, it's time to add in some expressions to make them into very cute characters. So I'm going to add different types of eyes, nose, mouth, and I'm going to see if I can even add some accessories to a few of them. Now that my illustration is ready, I'm going to just add in a lot of fun colors inside my balloons. I'm using very basic watercolors to do that. You can use any medium that you want. If you do not want watercolors, then you can use your crayons, your color pencils, your oil pastels to fill in the details here. I'm really enjoying making all of these videos for you guys, and I love the responses that I'm getting, and I hope this is very useful for you. So if you're somebody who has been watching my channel regularly, then thank you so much for being part of it. And if you're somebody who's new over here, then do consider subscribing to my channel so you can get updates every time I put up a new educational video or a tutorial or any unboxing that I do on different kinds of art supplies. Together we've grown into a very big YouTube family, and I'm so glad for the support that you guys have given me and for being part of this entire journey with me. I'm looking forward to creating lots of more fun videos so you can improve your drawing and your illustration styles and become really wonderful artists. Just remember, everybody is an artist. You don't have to be born one. You can always just inculcate these habits inside you and you can become really good at anything that you're creating. If you're a beginner, then consider doing your daily illustrations or your daily practices in a sketchbook, so you can see the progress that you have made from day 1 to the last page, which could be your day 2 if you're somebody who loves sketching too much, or it could be your day 100 where you have done one sketch either every day or every alternate day. So sketchbooks are a wonderful medium for you to keep track of your progress and to also understand how fast and quick your muscle memory grows when you start to draw on a regular basis. My painting is done and it looks so cute. I'm now just going to add a little bit of tidbits. I'm getting back my Sharpie and I'm going to add some slight details and maybe some confetti here and there, so it brings the entire thing to life. I hope today's video was helpful for you and you learned something new from this video. Thank you so much for joining me today. I will see you soon for the next one. Bye bye.